If your home was built before the 1990s, the plumbing behind your walls is aging. Have you noticed dropping water pressure, rusty water, or slow drains? Aging pipes don't usually fail overnight. They leave warning signs. Today we're going to look at the biggest risks in an older home's plumbing system and how to stop minor issues before it becomes a major flood.
Get eco.
Are you constantly dealing with minor leaks or clogged drains in your older home? And what happens if you ignore those small signs and an original cast iron drain line completely fails under your foundation? The best way to protect an older home's plumbing system is to schedule annual professional inspections. Regulate your water's pressure between 40 and 60 psi, install a water softener to manage hard water scale, and proactively replace outdated materials like galvanized steel and polybutylene before they rupture. I'm Brian with Eco Plumbers, Electricians, and HVAC Technicians. We help homeowners across Greater Columbus, Dayton, Cincinnati, and Chillicothe maintain and upgrade their aging plumbing systems every day. In this video, we'll cover how to identify your pipe materials, the silent damage caused by pressure and hard water, and the most cost-effective upgrades to protect your home. The first step in protecting your home is knowing what your pipes are made of. Different materials age very differently. Galvanized steel, common in homes built before the 1970s, these are incredibly heavy duty on the outside, but they corrode from the inside out. If you have rusty water or low pressure, your galvanized pipes are likely clogging up with rust. Cast iron drain lines, highly durable, but prone to internal rust, cracking, and tree root intrusions after decades underground. Polybutylene pipes, used heavily in the 1980s and 90s as a cheap alternative to copper. These are notorious for sudden, catastrophic failure and should be proactively replaced. Copper pipes, highly reliable, but older copper can develop pinhole leaks over time, especially if your water chemistry is off. Many homeowners think high water pressure is a good thing. It's actually one of the fastest ways to destroy an older plumbing system. Consistent pressure over 60 to 80 psi puts immense stress on aging joints, valves, and water heaters. Water quality is the other silent killer. Across central and southern Ohio, we deal with incredibly hard water. Hard water carries calcium and magnesium that leaves scale buildup inside your pipes and appliances. Over time, this restricts the water flow and drastically reduces the lifespan of your water heater and the fixtures throughout your home. So what can you do? Aside from replacing the failing pipes, here are 3 upgrades to provide massive protection for older homes. Pressure reducing valve, a simple device installed on your main water line that acts as a shock absorber, keeping your home's water pressure at a safe and consistent level. Water filtration and softeners. Installing a softener removes the minerals that cause scale buildup, preserving the life of your plumbing system from the inside out. Smart leak detection systems. These devices monitor your water usage 24/7. If a pipe bursts or a toilet runs continuously, the system alerts your phone and can automatically shut off your main water valve to prevent catastrophic water damage. Should you replace aging pipes before they fail? If you have galvanized steel that is rusting or polybutylene pipes, the answer is almost always yes. Paying to proactively repipe those sections is significantly cheaper than paying for emergency water damage restoration, drywall repair, and a plumbing fix after major failure. For everything else, an annual inspection is your best defense. You don't have to guess about the health of your plumbing. If you live in an older home and want peace of mind, click the link below to read our full guide, or visit geteco.com to schedule a comprehensive whole home plumbing evaluation with our team today. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more straightforward advice on protecting your home. We'll see you next time.